Meet a blended military family, torn between love, loss, and legacy, where a war hero's presence still fills the home, even after death. They fought for our country, but now they're fighting for their benefits and their future. Through emotional breakdowns, spiritual breakthroughs, and legal setbacks, they find strength in each other and in God. A step-by-step guide included helping veterans and families claim what's rightfully theirs. From brokenness to breakthrough, from war to redemption, discover what really happens in the afterlife of military life. MISFIRE, a lens into military family life. Available now wherever books are sold. This is more than a book. It's a legacy guide for military families. Order MISFIRE today and help turn pain into purpose. Don't just read about military life. Live it. Learn from it. Share it. Get your copy today.